Hi guys, hope you're all well. We've had a few people contact us asking for a little bit of clarification on how you can access the tasks just to make sure that you're doing everything correctly. So this short little video should hopefully clarify everything that you need to know. We'll start by clicking on announcements, and this is where you'll be able to find your timetable for the next 2 weeks, which takes us up to the Easter break. Okay, so once you get on to announcements, you're looking for the update working from home timetable, and when you click on this link, you'll be able to see that we've given you a bit of a brief on how we want you to complete the tasks over the next 2 weeks. And when you scroll down a little bit, you'll be able to see the timetables for the two groups. Okay, so if you're in Elizabeth's group or my group, sub-diploma, your timetable is here. And if you're in my or Rebecca's 90 credit groups, your timetable is here. As you can see, the timetables are split into morning and afternoon slots, where you will focus on one lesson per slot. Sometimes there might be two small tasks to do. So this morning, you were supposed to be working on government with Rebecca, and then this afternoon, crime and citizenship and diversity. If you were in my or Rebecca's group, you had government this morning, and then you had media and citizenship and diversity this morning. I'm going to show you how to access the tasks in a moment. As you'll be able to see, everybody has got fitness tomorrow morning with myself, and then you'll either have the maths, physical with Stuart, and then the days are pretty self-explanatory. This is then repeated for next week also. So if you scroll up to the top and click on the home page, that should take you to the normal page that you're used to seeing on Canvas. So what you should have done this morning was scroll down, click on government, and you will have seen this big blue writing here saying working from home. From the 18th of the 3rd onwards, please find all the resources you need for this unit in lesson resources. So you scroll down to the bottom, click on lesson resources, and there was the task for this morning. So online learning week 1 for Monday the 23rd. You must complete this handout by clicking here, open it up, and it opened up a handout that Rebecca wanted you to fill in. So you would complete every section of the handout. Once you had done, submit it in here. So when you click on this link, it'll take you to where you are to submit the handout. Now, as a member of staff, I don't have a submission button, but you would attach it like you would normally and attach an assignment. So that was for Rebecca's. Once you'd completed that, you would press the home button and you'd move on to your afternoon slot, which was for Liz. Now for tomorrow, everybody's doing fitness testing in the morning, so you would click on fitness testing and scroll down just a little bit, and then you will see my working from home task for Tuesday the 24th. Okay, what you will do is you will complete your week 4 of your training program. You will find the template by clicking here. And that will open up your week 4 training program, including the second page, which is the diary. Once you've done that, it gives you some options which you can choose from, so the different types of training to fill it in. And it also gives you a link to your exercise menu. Now when you click on here, it won't open up your exact menu because this is for all 4 groups, but it will take you to Microsoft Teams, where you will be able to find your group's exercise menu. So as you can see, we've got Subdip Group A, we've got the 90 Credit Group A, we've got Subdip Group B, and we've got 90 Credit Group B. So you've got access to your exercises on there. Once you've completed my document, you will send it into C360, and you can do that by clicking on this link here. This will take you back to C360 again, where you can submit as you normally do. A few people spoke to me today about how to fill in the diary page. So if I just go here and give you a quick explanation, when you are asked to discuss your training, you will say what you found that worked really well, what you enjoyed on that day, what exercises you enjoyed and what exercises you didn't enjoy. And that must relate to the day's training that you planned on Monday here. You will do that for every single day, apart from your rest days, which are Wednesday and Saturday. So on Wednesday here, you will type rest, and on Saturday here, you will also type rest. You will then fill in your diet every day, like you have done previously, and then you will give yourself an effort rating from 1 to 10. Hopefully that clarifies that. Once you've done, like I said, you will send it into C360 and then you will move on to your afternoon slot. If you are doing English or Maths, when you log on to Canvas, you will have an announcement up here, an invitation for the English and Maths site. Once you click on there, you will then find your Maths and English tasks there. Please make sure you read all the information for every task that is set, because as we stressed, this is very, very important that we get you to complete all of this assignment work whilst you're off. Hope you're keeping safe. If you need us, you know where we are. You can just get in touch with us through Canvas.